I want to talk to you today about microdosing. So what is it and why is it used in the vestibular disorders population? So let's break it down. Micro, very small amounts. Dosing, what you're putting into your body. I've seen this used for both prescription medications, over-the-counter medications, and even supplements. So what does it mean? It means starting off with very, very small amounts, like ridiculously small amounts to get your body, to get your nervous system, to get your immune system used to something, and then to taper up to see how much you might tolerate. The purpose of this is that people with vestibular disorders tend to be really, really sensitive to medication, myself included. And you might not be able to tolerate a full dose, but you might still get benefit from a smaller dose. So it's not only meant to help titrate or slowly build you up, but you might never take the full amount. You might only take a tenth of a dose. So what does this actually look like in practice? Let's talk about Effexor because it's microdosed so often. So let's say you have a 37.5 milligram cap, which is kind of like a half of a therapeutic dose for like anxiety or depression, but it's common for vestibular migraine and pppd. If you open up that cap, you might have like 40 tiny little grains or maybe 100 depending on the pharmacy. So you might start off taking 2 of them. So think about how small that dose is. That's microdosing.